Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. Today we're talking about a major development that sent shockwaves through the crypto market. China has agreed to begin formal tariff negotiations with the US Treasury, and it's had a huge impact on Bitcoin. So, what's behind this move? Well, for months now, there's been tension between China and the US over trade policies. The US has imposed tariffs on Chinese goods, and China has retaliated by imposing its own sanctions. This has created a lot of uncertainty in the markets, with investors getting nervous about the potential impact on global growth. But now, it seems that high-level talks are underway, and they're expected to take place over the weekend. That's got everyone feeling much better, because it means we might finally get some clarity on what's going to happen next. And what happens when you've got clarity in the markets? Well, Bitcoin tends to thrive. Speaking of which, BTC has closed above that critical $95,000 Fibonacci cluster, which is a big deal for crypto investors. It means that the short-term bearish pullback scenario has been invalidated, and now we're looking at a potential move toward $100,000. Now, it's worth noting that daily volume is still lagging behind, so we need to keep an eye on that to make sure this breakout isn't just a flash in the pan. But here's the thing, previous rallies in October 2023 and October 2022 were accompanied by massive volume inflows. That was a key factor that drove the price up back then, and it's something we need to see again if Bitcoin is going to make any real headway. Now, let's take a look at some of the dominance metrics for Bitcoin. The stablecoin dominance is still trapped inside the daily TBO cloud, which suggests ongoing bearish consolidation. But Bitcoin dominance has printed a new local high above 65%, with daily RSI above 83. And if we look at top 10 dominance, we see that it's weakening, but not showing any reversal signals just yet. Now, let's talk about the total market cap and total 2 charts. Both of these are confirming bullish bias, but neither one is breaking out yet. The OTHERS market cap is pressing long-term resistance for the 12th time in as many days, which suggests that a breakout could be imminent, but timing remains elusive. But what if we told you that volatility is starting to creep back into the picture? The BVOL7D has printed a second TBO breakdown, and it's inching higher. That's always a bad sign for investors, but historically speaking, a pump is more likely when Bitcoin is above the TBO cloud. And finally, let's talk about the BTC gold ratio. As tariff fears fade, Bitcoin's relative strength to gold continues to improve. It's following a similar pattern seen before BTC's October 2023 rally, and that's a bullish sign for crypto investors. Altcoins are also seeing some interesting action. ETH isn't reacting well to its upcoming upgrade event, while BNB, SOL, and LTC are seeing stronger performances. AAVE has confirmed a TBO open long, but CRO is trying to do the same. And finally, let's talk about smaller cap assets like KAITO, JTO, and XCN. They're all showing bullish divergent signals or retracements to key support lines, which suggests that there could be some opportunities for investors to get in on the ground floor. That's it for today's Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for joining us.